In today's video, I will teach you how to customize and print professionally designed invitations in Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva and in the search bar, type in the word invitation. There are thousands of templates to choose from, but if you have a more specific design in mind, you can enable the filters available in the sidebar. Here, you can choose among the different categories, styles, themes, pricing, and color schemes to find the design that you like. Once you've found a design that you like, you can now open it and customize it. In the File tab, you can enable the rulers and guides or simply press Shift-R if you would like to be more precise in the placement of the elements. You can also enable margins and print bleeds to help you with the sizing and placement as well. In the Templates tab, you can add a different template or use the same template if you would like to add another page. You can also use the Templates tab, Uploads tab, and Text tab to further customize and personalize your template. Once you're satisfied with the design, you can now save it to your computer and print the invitations on your own printer. But if you don't have a spare time to print the invitations on your own, Canva has the Print on Demand option. Simply press the Print Invitation button, arrange the pages, and select the paper type, paper finish, and number of invitation that you would like to be printed. Then fill in the shipping and billing requirements so that the invitations will be delivered on your doorstep. And you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.